All right, hi everyone. We're here at the new Tidewater Townhomes by Pulte Homes. We're so excited. We're about to go. Wow, look at these 3-story townhomes. Here we go.
Hi, Carly.
Hey, Heather.
It's Walkthrough Wednesday.
Oh, we're so excited.
So exciting. So we're in Tidewater at Nocatee. It's a gated townhome community by Pulte Homes, and I'm joined by the beautiful Dina, and she's going to show us this amazing 3-story townhome. So thanks for having us, Dina.
Of course.
Come on in, Carly.
All right, I'm excited.
Wow. Isn't it beautiful? This is breathtaking.
Beautiful.
Wait, we can't go upstairs. Dina's going to show us something cool on the first floor.
Oh, all right, let's go. Let's check it out.
So Dina, what is this door down here that we're approaching?
So that is a closet, a coat closet, and then to the right is going to be an extra room. And you can actually make this a full bedroom with a full bath.
Oh, love this.
Storage.
Very important to show that. I love my storage. So this is a great, huge bedroom on the first floor. So right now, obviously, they're using it as your sales center.
Right. And right now it's shown as a game room because it has a half bath in the corner, but you do have the option to make a full bedroom and a full bath down here.
That's important to know. So if you have, let's say, an older relative wanting to live with you, they could be on the first floor, that teenager coming back from college, they can have their own, basically like suite.
Right.
First floor suite.
And then you have a nice covered patio that comes right off the back as well.
Here, we have to go out there just to check it
Bathroom.
out. Here, check this out really quick, Carly. And Dina, what is the square footage of these Tidewater townhomes?
They're 2177 square feet, anywhere from 3 to 4 bedrooms and 2.5 to 3.5 baths.
Okay, so 2177 square feet. That's a big townhome.
Yes.
So basically, if you're looking at some of our single-family homes, you guys have got to give Dina a chance over here.
And then you also got a 2-car garage in the front.
That's
We
right.
have it shown as the sales office, but that's where the garage would be.
And a nice closet over here is ample size. And so I want to remind people that Tidewater is steps away from the brand new spray park opening soon, and also the splash water park. So that's a really big selling feature of this community. And to remind people, this is a gated community. And y'all have your own pool, don't you?
Yeah, we've got a private pool and a private clubhouse as well.
I think that's huge for people to know that you would get your own private pool in Tidewater and clubhouse, like you mentioned. Look at this space.
Wow.
So tell us all about this room, Dina.
So this is going to be your living area. You've got your gathering room up front and then your kitchen towards the back. Right off of the kitchen is a nice covered deck as well.
We'll have to go out there.
Yeah.
I love all the natural light coming
Yes.
in. Are you getting that feedback from people when they come look at it? They love all that light.
Yeah, tons of windows throughout, so you don't even feel like you're in a townhome.
And look at this. Let's check out this beautiful island. It's a very big island. They
Oh,
have
wow.
3 chairs behind here. In all honesty, you could easily fit 4. And look at this. Let's go ahead and check this out. So
that's
great
nice.
use of space with your island.
Right.
It's really nice.
And I believe you have cabinets all the way around it. So lots and lots of cabinets. Now let's look at the pantry, because actually I think this is important. Because in this house you have 2 pantries. So look at this, you've got, and this is big. So you've got a big pantry here. Ignore the paint that's in there. You've got a big pantry there, but look at this. A second pantry off the powder room. So again, lots of storage. So there's no excuse when it comes to your groceries, and look at that breathtaking powder room.
Oh, that's so nice.
So another thing that Dina pointed out is there's bathrooms on each level. So it's not like you have to go from one to the other, you know, with your guests or with yourself.
Right.
Okay, let's check this out.
Oh, what's that?
So Dina, with this flooring, tell me about it. Is this wood?
Yeah, it's called Trex Decking. It's a composite made to look like wood, but it's super stain resistant, fade resistant, lasts forever. It's super durable.
I think that's important. So you can come out here off the kitchen, have a wonderful breakfast, eat your dinner, of course. And there's so much you can do for privacy. You can put down those cool shades if you wanted to. If the sun was coming in on certain times of the day, you can put those in.
And it's also braced and pre-wired for a ceiling fan out there.
Oh, that's important. I love this.
All right.
Love the ceiling fans. So this, again, oh wait, what is this? Hold on. More storage.
More storage. We love storage.
Okay, Pulte Homes did it right with this townhome. Lots of storage. So let's head upstairs because that's where your main bedrooms are, besides the amazing one on the first floor. So again, with Tidewater, I want to remind people, this is one of their models, also their sales center, but you can go to Nocatee.com, click on the neighborhoods tab, and then scroll down, find your home, and the Pulte Homes floor plans will be on there. So you can actually see that right now from your home computer, of course, once you're done watching the fabulous video. So tell us about this space.
So over here we show it as 2 separate bedrooms, but you do have the option to make this one big bedroom. So it pretty much turns into a dual master on the first floor.
That's amazing.
Wow.
That's where it's a 3-bedroom when you said 3 or 4.
Right.
That would be a 3-bedroom. So you could just make this one huge. But I'll be honest with you, the way that your designer set this up, kudos to that person, first of all. But the way they laid it out, if you'll even show that corner curling, I don't feel cramped in here. These are nice size rooms, well thought out furniture plan. So I think this is a great job. And then the full bath, of course. Oh,
You got your laundry upstairs.
Yes. And then the washer and dryer off the bedroom, smart. So that's important to point out. So you're not having to haul your laundry down the stairs to wash it in another area. You've got your washer and dryer right outside the bedrooms.
Wow.
How high are these ceilings?
9 1/4.
That's, I mean, because it just really feels way bigger than, you know, I know it is. It's a huge space.
We also have 8-foot doors included throughout, so that really helps make the ceilings feel
It does.
higher.
The height factor is important. And it's so quiet and calm in here. I just love this.
I love it.
I'm blown away. And look at this. I love the double doors leading into the owner's bath.
Dual vanity.
That's, yeah, huge selling feature. So it's not even side by side, which you do see in a lot of houses.
Right.
They have the 2 sinks, but you can touch each other.
Yeah.
I like that this is separate. Huge shower, but not too big, of course.
It's perfect.
And then a nice walk-in closet, which Carly will go in. And then, is there a linen closet in this space?
There is, right in the corner.
Oh, gotta show the linen closet.
All right, backing out.
And again, always hard to see on camera, but that is a big closet, a great linen closet. So what Pulte Homes did with this 3-story townhome is basically use every inch of space wisely in the architecture, the storage, it's very quiet in here, first of all. And so, because I say that because I mentioned we're steps away from Splash Water Park, but we still are far enough away that I promise you it's not going to bother you at all. And also, what's really cool about the Splash Water Park and Spray Park area is Food Truck Fridays. So every other Friday, you can just walk on over to Food Truck Night. We have a full bar in the water park, a full bar at Food Truck Night. We sell beer, wine, and liquor. And also, you're right near the Nocatee Town Center. I would say a quarter-mile tops from Publix, which is the largest grocery Publix in Northeast Florida, by the way. So you can go get your groceries and just walk on home.
So also really low maintenance too. So everything on the exterior is taken care of through the HOA. So your lawn maintenance, irrigation, termite bond, pressure washing, paint, everything that would stress you out about a single family home, you don't have to worry about here.
So you're only dealing with the stuff inside your home. Exterior, just call the HOA, they're taking care of it.
Correct, yeah.
Phenomenal. So again, why should we buy in Tidewater? You've got a pool, you've got a gate.
Low maintenance.
Low maintenance.
Walking distance to the Splash Water Park and Town Center.
I'm sold. I'm sold. Okay, we are beyond excited that Pulte Homes has reopened the amazing Tidewater community. Please come and see Dina today. This is Walkthrough Wednesday, brought to you by the award-winning developers of Nocatee, the Park Group. Thanks y'all for watching.
Thanks.
Bye.
Bye.